Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to exit a community into WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp. Firstly, you have to open your WhatsApp application, and after opening, you can see all of the chats or community you have into your chat section. You just simply have to select the community that you want to exit, and after selecting, just simply select the group that you are in. Step 2. Go to the Manage Community. Now after opening the group, you can see this Manage Community option here. You just simply have to tap into that and scroll a bit down. Step 3. Exit the community. Now you just simply have to click to this Exit Community button in order to exit the community, and after doing that, just simply click to Exit button if you have that. But I don't have Exit button here because I have created this community and no one else in the community to provide the control or administration. So instead of exiting, in that case, I can deactivate the community. If you're also having same kind of problem, you can watch the video about how to deactivate the community into our channel. The first method I've shown in video will easily work. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching.